In this support video, we will be adjusting the door tension of the dishwasher model FDWBI8067-24S. You will need to pull out your dishwasher. Make sure you have enough leeway for the power cord and water hose. If not, you will need to disconnect the water hose and electrical wire plug. You will need to verify the left and right side. Remove the cover panel and unscrew the two holding screws. Ensure that the spring is in the correct bracket and is attached to the supporting rope. The supporting rope needs to wrap around the small wheel and fasten to the dishwasher door leg. You can adjust the dishwasher door tension by placing the spring higher in the bracket. A lower position will decrease the door tension, and a higher position will increase the door tension. This completes the door tension adjustment.